Hey guys, so I wanted to do another project series with my latest stack that I really enjoy, and I want to include authentication and users and all that fun stuff in this project. And what I realized is I'd be doing the same thing for any kind of clone or project that I was doing, whether I was making like a Twitter clone or a Spotify clone or pretty much, any type of project. I would need user authentication. So what I want to do before doing some more project series is to build basically a core or boilerplate that is a GraphQL server that handles basically all that stuff. And there's just the overlap between all projects. That'll include authentication, signing up users, and all that fun stuff. And right now, I am really enjoying TypeScript, so I'm going to be building this with TypeScript. So I'm going to be starting a new series where we're basically going to build out the core that I'll be used for every single series in the future. And so this is a boilerplate, and it's going to be using GraphQL and TypeScript. And here are the things I want to add to it right now. And please, if I'm missing anything that you think that'd be very good or that are used across multiple different projects, leave a comment below and I'll definitely consider it. So the first thing is I want to cover signing up users or registering users, and the way I like to do this is with sending a confirmation email, and then they won't be able to log in until they confirm their email. And it's really good to just make sure they're not they actually own this email. So that's the first thing we're going to be doing. And then setting up, allowing users to log in and through a username and password, and then a forgot password. So if they forget their password, they can click that link, and what will happen is it'll send them an email and they can then change their password. And then logging out, and this will be logging out for this is with, for example, if we have both a React Native and a React client, or a phone and a web client, you can log them out across all the different clients. And then also, like I said, I want this to be able to work with both a mobile client and a web client. So there are no cookies available on a app, so we'll be handling authentication or sending of tokens through the HTTP header with the mobile client. And then for websites, we're going to be using cookies. And then I'm going to be setting up some authentication middleware with GraphQL. This will be able to, basically we can reuse and handle, I only want people with this certain attribute to be able to access this or whatnot, that sort of thing. The next thing is rate limiting. So setting up, you don't want user to just be able to create a bunch of requests. And then also there's specific routes you don't want people to spam. For example, logging in. You don't want people trying to log in a bunch or to forget password a bunch. And in that case, what goes hand in hand is locking accounts. So maybe we have a user called Bob at bob.com, and someone is trying to log in with that account 100 times. We'll just lock the account for like 30 minutes or whatnot, and people can't access it. And then lastly, this is just back-end code. So usually I build a front end as well, but in this case, this boilerplate is only going to be a back-end. So what I want to do is set up tests to be able to make sure all this stuff works. And so that's how we're going to validate that the code that we're writing actually works, is through tests. And I'm probably going to be using Jest for this. And that's the plan so far. So I'm going to start this tomorrow and then just code along with you guys and build this out. Do just a video every day and then just incrementally add on and create this. So again, let me know in the comments below if you feel like I'm missing anything that would be nice for a core thing that will be used for every single clone or project I'll be doing in the future. So that's it for this video, guys. Here's the GitHub page that I'll be coding it on. I'll link in the description below, but you can follow or star this if you want to follow along. That's it for this video, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.